Hello my dear little ones, welcome back to English class. So, do you remember that in the last class we discussed about a very big old tree and its friends. We saw the nest and the nestlings. Okay, so look here, can you see a branch here? What is this? We can see something hanging from it, isn't it? Well, it is a beehive. So, it is the home of bees. We can see many bees here. So, what is this? This is a beehive. Beehive means it is a house of bee. The bees store honey in the beehive. The bees store honey in the beehive. So, in your textbook, listen. Now, look at that branch. Do you see something hanging from it? Well, it is a beehive. It is a home of bees. The bees store honey in the beehive. So, here we can see a beehive. The bee store honey in the beehive. What is honey? Honey means ten. So, the bees store the honey in the beehive. So, have you ever seen a beehive? This is a beehive. So, the bee is a friend of our tree. Okay. So, here we can see a beehive. Beehive means the beehive, which is the place where the honey bees store their honey. It is the house of bees. Beehive. Okay. Now look here. Here we can see an animal. This is another friend of our big old tree. Who is this? Here we can see a squirrel. Okay. Now look here. This is the nest of that squirrel. So the squirrel made its nest in the tree. Now look at that branch. There is a nest on it made of twigs and dry leaves. Do you know who lives here? Look closely. You will see a mother squirrel with her tiny babies. So here we can see the nest of a squirrel. Look here. Do you like squirrels? Do you like squirrels? Here we can see the nest of a squirrel. Then here is the mother squirrel, and here in the nest we can see many babies, many baby squirrels. Look here, this is the nest of our squirrel. So the squirrel made its nest on the branches of this tree, our big old tree. How does it make nest? Look, this is the small nest of a squirrel. It is made up of twigs and dry leaves. What do you mean by twigs? Twigs means small branches of the tree without leaves. Small branches of the tree without leaves is called twigs. So, a squirrel made its nest by twigs and dry leaves. Dry leaves means onangiya elagalu. So, this is the nest of our squirrel. So, we can see its babies here. Here inside the nest we can see the baby squirrels. This is the nest of our squirrel. It is made of twigs and dry leaves. Twigs means small branches of tree without leaves. Okay. So this is another friend of our old big tree. Then look here. Who is here? Here we can see one more friend of our tree. Who is this? This is a spider. Who is this? spider. Can you see a spider here? Yes, we can see a spider here. Then what is this? Here we can see a net-like structure. This is the spider's house. This house is spun by our spider. This is called cobweb. So what is this? Cobweb. This is a silky cobweb. So look at these branches. You will find silky cobwebs on them. Do you know who made these cobwebs? Okay, you are right. The spiders made them. Have you ever seen a spider spider weaving a web? The spider weaves the web. Okay, this is the web of the spider. This is the house of the spider. Here we can see a small insect, and here is our spider. And what is the specialty of this cobweb? It is silky and sticky also. Sticky. So when an insect sits on the cobweb, this sticky cobweb, what will happen? It will stuck on the cobweb. Then immediately our spider will come and eat the insect. So what is the name of our spider's house? It is called cobweb. Cobweb. What do you mean by cobweb? It is a web spun by a spider. Web spun by a spider. So we can see the cobweb inside our house also. Okay, so please notice if there is cobweb in your house. So listen here, this is the, so we met the different friends of our old tree. So can you name the different friends of this tree? First of all, we saw the bird and nestlings. Then we saw bee and its beehive. The next friend is spider. The spider made his web on the branches of our old tree. Okay, so now read with me. Look at these branches. You will find silky cobwebs on them. Why it is called? It is silky. It shines. The cobweb shines when there is sunshine. It shines. Nalla telangum. So this is silky. Silky in nature. So you will find silky cobwebs on them. Do you know who made this cobweb? So who made this cobweb? Yeah, the spider made the cobweb. Now what is this? This is the beehive. This is our squirrel, and this is the spider's web, cobweb. Now we have some new words. Listen, which are the new words? Twigs. Spelling T-W-I-G-S. Twigs. What is the meaning of the word twig? Small branches without leaves. Twigs means small branches without leaves. Next, cobwebs. Web spun by a spider. Web made by a spider. Cobwebs. Cobwebs. C-O-B-W-E-B-S. Web spun by a spider. Then question number 1. Where do the bees store honey? Where do the bees store honey? The bees store honey in the honeycombs. Where do they store honey? The bees store honey in the honeycombs. Next question. How does the squirrel make its nest? How does the squirrel make its nest? The squirrel makes its nest with twigs and dry leaves. Twigs means small branches without leaves. Next question. Who makes cobwebs? Who makes cobwebs? The spider makes cobwebs. Is it clear? Then you have to write the new words and question answers in your notebook and study. Write cursive letter book, page number 21 and 22. Now, all of you please listen and read with me. Take your textbook and read with me. Now, look at that branch. Do you see something hanging from it? Well, it is a beehive. It is the home of the bees. The bees store honey in the beehive. Now, look at that branch. There is a nest on it made of twigs and dry leaves. Do you know who lives here? Look closely. You will see a mother squirrel with her tiny babies. Look at these branches. You will find silky cobwebs on them. Do you know who made these cobwebs? You are right, the spiders made them. So study the new words, read the lesson well and write it in the notebook. Write and study the spellings, write the cursive writing book, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.